going, guys? So I'm making this video because I want to actually explain why I truly go to the gym. I go to the gym to get stronger and do rehab so I can walk again. Because let me share with you a true story. Hang on 1 second. I want you to hang on 1 second. I was born with a condition called cerebral palsy stage 5. Basically what had happened to me was I suffered from a baby stroke when I was young, and that's probably something I'll never forget, that I've been told by multiple doctors in my whole life. But I think it's just says to me, alright Trav, you gotta get up and do something. So I got up and done something about it. I said to the doctors, I told them where to go. I just said, mate, it was like a camp draft, eh? Get a mob of cattle and you draft them off. Anyway, I went through 1 doctor, 2 doctor, 3 doctor, multiple doctors. I drafted them off into the right section where I wanted them to be. I didn't want them to drag me down and tell me something I couldn't do. So I specifically set up a program, a personal program, which I'm not going to tell you because it's personal. But I specifically went in. I've specifically done this so I can show all my friends and that I am trying to walk. It's no joke. I am being legit. And please, take a second to think how hard it is for anybody with a handicap or a disability to do something in their life, or do something to a day-to-day basis. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy living with any disability or anything like that. It's not easy. But you just gotta accept it, take it on like a big boy. Drop the bitch, and then drop another bitch, and drop another bitch, and then just drop everyone that is refusing to comprehend and realize that you are trying to do something. You need to go tell them where to go, which is that, and please don't get offended by that. You just need to go tell them where they actually deserve, because the way I see disability, you're no different to anybody else, mate. You know any different. So please, I want somebody out there to understand that it's not as easy for anybody with a disability, little and to do something, because they've had to put up a big bitch fight with the doctor saying, with the doctor coming into their room and sitting down to you with a miserable face, sorry, and telling you can't do something. Well, you just need to go around and tell every bitch that Tell everybody that's trying to bitch around about it. Tell them to get fucked, and I'm sorry for that, but it's true. Yeah. Yeah. I think everybody that follows me on Facebook and YouTube and that, thank you very much for understanding and knowing what I have to go through with a day-to-day basis. Thank you, guys. Remember, I told you guys that. Guys, I mean it, guys. It's no joke. I'm being legit. So please take the time out and make sure you watch this video. Because what I'm telling you is no joke. I'm not even bullshitting. And I'm sorry to say that, but yeah, it is what it is, unfortunately. But you just gotta work around it, and it's like trying to get a job. You put out so many applications for a job. You may not get one, you may not get many, but at least you get something out of a job. So please understand that it's not as easy for someone with a disability to do things on a day-to-day basis. Thank you, guys. Stay true to yourself.